It's a Stitch Fix day. Hi everyone, it's Barbara at BCsells. Welcome to my channel and welcome to a Stitch Fix unboxing and try on. Okay, I'm gonna show you the items that are in here real quick. We'll talk about it as we go along and we'll just go from there. I'm gonna hold everything up and put the information on the screen, and then everything will be in the description. Oh, my burrito fell apart. Here's part of it. Here's another one. Oops. Uh-oh. And here's another one. You get 5 items. You have, I think you have 5 days to try on and make a decision. And they provide you with a self-addressed stamped envelope, prepaid, so anything you don't want, you just put it in here, take it to the post office or give it to your postman for the returns. And here is the information. We have, this is the invoice. I don't want to look at this yet. And then this is your style sheet. So your stylist will, the items that they pick out for you, they will put together a nice style sheet, show you different ways that you can style the items that are in your box. Let's see, who is, oh, I have Emma again. Okay, I'm not gonna read this right here. Ooh, I'm glancing. Okay, let's move on. Let's see what Emma has picked out for me. Let's start with the things that are not in the bundle. This is a pretty, oh, this is cute. This is nice. It's got some crocheting at the top here, keyhole in the back with the one button. This looks like it is a deep purple with the cap sleeves. Love cap sleeves. Pretty color. Let's see if I can see who this is by without my glasses. You guys have already seen it. Daniel RAINN, like Daniel RAINN. Okay. If you guys know me from following me, I am tired of navy. So I have a navy top. Although this is pretty cute. I could be eating my words. So here, look at the detail on the top. Pretty flowy, sleeveless. Oh, look at the back. That's cute. That's really cute. Who is this? Skies are blue. I don't know, that could be pretty cute. I might be eating my words. Let's open the bundle. This is a nice color. It has the, what is that? Like what do you call that? Like it's not a lace, it's that embroidery. That's pretty, very pretty color. Cap sleeve. It's like between a, it's like a coral color. This is pale sky. The back's very pretty. I don't know, this is looking pretty nice. Also, if you keep all 5 items, you get a 25% discount. And the styling fee is $20. And I have a discount code. I think it's for $50 credit when you order your first box. They'll give you a $50 credit. Styling fee is $20. Oh, this is nice. This is by Just USA, a white denim jacket. Look, it's distressed. I love distressing. Not a ton of it, but I do like some distressing. Oh, it's got inside and outside pockets. This is a possibility. Uh-oh, this might be my very first 5 for $5 box. Pair of shorts. I like these. I like my stylist, Emma, she is listening to my feedback. So Emma, if you're watching, thank you very much. I love raw, unfinished hems. These are a little more faded than I normally wear, but I'm excited to try them on. Okay, let's get to the try on. Okay, let's start with the top. This is coral, and this is the embroidery front with the split neck and in the back. Nice little cap sleeves, which I like better than being totally sleeveless. This is by, I don't know if I said it's by Pale Sky. It does have little slits on the side that are attached with some thread right now. You just snip those when you buy it. It's a nice length, beautiful color. It's nice, I like it. Depends on the price. It's very soft, so you could do a front tuck where I just roll it up. Let's talk about these jeans. I love these denim shorts. These are by Just Black. I like the color, surprisingly. Love the frayed hem. It has cute little notch on the side, on each side. It's a little faded. I like them. They're a little big back here, a lot big, but there's a lot of stretch. The only thing is I'm afraid that they're gonna stretch out the more I wear them, but I'm okay. They fit now, and I'm okay with that. If they start stretching, I'll throw these bad boys in the dryer. And we know what that will do to them. Okay, it has the front pockets, the back pockets. I really like them. I mean, these are definitely going to be a keeper. I like them a lot. Well, depends on the price. I'm running around, I'm cleaning the house and that. I always have denim shorts on. Okay, let's try the jacket on. All right, this is the denim jacket by Just USA. It has a lot of stretch in it, which is really nice. This is a size small. My shirt is also a size small. I like that there's pockets on the outside, the slanted. Oh, this one's open. There's pockets on the inside, which I absolutely love. I usually throw my car keys in one, my purse in, or my phone in the other one, and I'm good. Credit cards in the back pocket, and I'm out the door. So this is really nice. It depends on the price. It's got the silver buttons. Pocket on the top. Cute jacket. Okay, we're off to a good start. Okay, this is the Skies Are Blue with the embroidered top in the front and in the back, which is very cute. Of course, it's sleeveless. It's a little flowy. It's very lightweight, very, very light. This is navy. Okay, let's try on the next top. This is the Daniel RAINN top in the deep purple. It feels great. It has the detail at the top here. And I think it's just plain in the back. It has the little cap sleeves, little flowy. I mean, it feels great. I mean, it's Daniel RAINN. Although the sleeves here are giving me bat wings. Yeah. Not sure if it's coming through. It's nice. It's a nice top. Okay, let's do a recap. I'm just gonna slide you guys over here. What do you guys think of my fix? Okay, overall, it is a great fix. There isn't anything in here that is totally not my style. I'm only gonna keep items that I absolutely love. This top, I don't love. I like it, but I don't really love it. I mean, it's nice, it's cute. I like the detail here. It's the deep purple, and for spring, summer, well, we're in the summer, I'd rather have some brighter colors, unless the price reflect like, oh, you know, that's a great deal and it's nice. Okay, I'll keep it type thing. So this I'm gonna return. It is $58. Like I said, I do have the bat wings going on here. So for $58, this is a definite no. All right, now let's talk about these shorts. I love these shorts. If you're not a jean short person, you don't understand, you won't understand. I love these. Okay, so these are a keeper. They are by Just Black. They're $58. I will get more than $58 wear out of these shorts because it's my go-to when I first get up. I walk in jean shorts. I just can't seem to put on the spandex shorts. I just can't do that right now. Or I can't wear the leggings. It's so hot and humid that it's just, no, I just can't do it. So I wear the denim shorts and I'm very comfortable in them. So these are a definite keeper, love them. All right, the navy skies are blue. This is really pretty. The detailing on it is very nice. It is $54. I don't like it $54 worth. No, sorry. It's cute, but for me, not $54. So this is going back. The Pale Sky Eyelet in coral. This is $64. Okay, I mean, this is nice. And the detail on it is very nice, but I love the color. I like the embroidering. Is that embroidering or is that, oh, it's eyelet. I like it, but I don't know. I don't think, it's not a $64 top for me personally. So I'm actually going to return it. I mean, I like the color. I mean, it's nice, but I don't want to pay $64 for it. Okay, USA, just USA, the denim jacket is $68. This is a possibility because you guys know I am a jacket junkie. $68 isn't bad. It's got a lot of stretch in it. It's got the outside and the inside pockets, which I love. I mean, it has the distressing, but really you're not going to see that much on your neck when your hair's down. A little bit on the collar in the front. I don't know how well you guys are seeing that, but with the distressing. So, I don't know. I mean, I like it. I'm not like, ooh, you know, not like the, you know, my cut from the cloth, the strawberry jacket. That I love, love, love. This is, it's okay. I like it. So, I don't know. I'm kind of, I'm on the fence. I don't own a white denim jacket. Oh, wait. Oh, I have 3 white jackets. What am I thinking? So I don't know. It's different. I don't have a white actual denim jacket like this. So I don't know. I could get some use out of it, but $68, I'll have to think about it. You guys let me know what you think. So that is my Stitch Fix. What do you guys think? Let me know. And I have a discount code. If you would like to try Stitch Fix for your first time, you will receive a $50 credit towards your purchase. So I think that's it. So everyone have a wonderful morning, afternoon, or evening, wherever you are, from my home to yours. And be safe, everyone. Of Stitch Fix. Okay, let's get this open. I'm gonna show you guys what's on. Okay, if you're not familiar, why do I always say okay? Let's start over. So that's what I'm basing my decisions on. So that's all I have for you.